Hello. I miss you too. I miss you too. Huh? I miss you so much, guys. So, what is on my desk today? We have this Lenovo laptop. This is a job from another technician at a local town who is fixing computers. So, this laptop came in like this. This is a no power job. It's Lenovo IdeaPad 1i. IdeaPad 1 series, some kind of. The battery was unplugged. We have another cable for the touchpad is unplugged. The keyboard is still connected. We don't have the heatsink and fan. I don't know if these are some fanless motherboards which are just working without the fan. So I'll plug back the battery here. Let's come with the power supply. Oh, we don't need an HP adapter. We need a Lenovo adapter. Lenovo small pin. Oh, what? Plug in the power supply. It's taking 3.5 amps and there's voltage drop to 2 volts. That means we have a short to ground. So mostly this is going to be an easy repair. So here we have so many coils. We have coils around which represent the power supplies. So I'll check capacitors around the coils. This is short, 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 short. Short, short. Here, short. So the main 19 volts power line is shorted to ground. It's shorted to ground. Let's see if we can spot something very fast with the help of thermal camera. Maybe we can spot something very fast. Let's unplug the battery. A battery unplugged is still taking 3.5 amps. Something here on the charging port, next to the charging port. I can't see those serial MOSFETs in serial mode. Those input MOSFETs in serial mode. Maybe they are on the other side. And this area looks to be heating up. Huh? Maybe we need to take out the motherboard. Let's take out this motherboard. And if a proper checking, let's take out the motherboard and go on a microscope. Microscope. Hope my microscope is still working. Microscope. Good. Here we have the charging ports. What we are checking on the charging port, we are checking if the plus is shorted. Ground from this. No, we don't have a short here. And my MOSFETs are here. These are my MOSFETs. We have a bigger MOSFET, smaller MOSFET. We have a bigger MOSFET, Smaller MOSFET and the current sensor. The schematics is very simple. We have an inductor here. So I'll check these MOSFETs. This is reading a short. This is not reading a short. Okay. Yeah, the first MOSFET is shorted from drain to source. But that's not our issue. I don't believe that is our issue. Our issue is we have a short to ground on the current sensor. That is our issue. Let's check all other power supplies just to have a visual inspection. Maybe we can spot something obvious on this motherboard. Here. I'm checking on power supplies because most likely this problem is most likely to come on the power supplies. This capacitor looks cracked. This is a cracked capacitor. You can see the capacitor is falling apart. It's broken in pieces. So maybe that is our problem, this capacitor. But what I will do, we can take out this capacitor. Let me take this cracked capacitor down. Maybe that is our issue. Even if it's not our issue, that capacitor is not healthy, we need to replace it. Let's check for short on that same area. Plus and minus. And where is that capacitor? What about charging? Why it is behaving like this? Hmm? Caps lock is flashing. Maybe we have a BIOS issue. We have so many issues on this laptop. Huh? Should we reprogram the BIOS? Let's check all the voltages to ensure that we have the RAM voltage. We have the 19 volts. Four point 3 volts. Zero 0.6, 0.5, 0.8. All the voltages looks low. Why? Why? Nineteen. 19. This is so confusing indeed.